Check out this 4x4 here at Unique, especially in classics. 1989 Ford Bronco XLT. 5-liter underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Power steering, power brakes, AC, so nicely equipped. Take a look at the front chrome, bumper, grille. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Right now has 77,585 showing on the odometer. If you want to take your time looking through the still pictures, you'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, every angle of this vehicle. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, this is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Michelin radials, plenty of tread left on them. Vehicle spending the majority of its life on the West Coast, so as you take a look around the wheel wells, you can see they're not blistered or corroding. One little nick there, but overall this paint does show well. Nice shine to it. And then look at these lower rockers. Of course, the running boards out protecting from rock chips, and around the wheel wells. Maroon interior, bucket seats, of course, center console, and we'll get around to the driver's side. Start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek at the engine bay, and at the very end of this video, stick around because we're going to take this thing for a ride, take it down the road, show you how it drives out. And I want you guys to also remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Should take a look at the chrome, the rear bumper, rear mounted spare. Also remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to look at this one yourself, maybe due to time or distance, not a problem. Open door policy for those guys. And again, look at the rear wheel wells. Definitely makes a difference when they're on the West Coast and not in a Midwest winter. Let's take a look at this interior. It's a cloth interior, power windows, power locks. Door panels look good. You'll be able to see the door sticker, if you will. That'll have your options and codes on it. That'll be in the still pictures. It'll wear it to the seat right here. And going in and out. Carpeting looks good. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Now we do have an AM/FM cassette player in this one, and that is working. As you can see, take a look at the dash. Top of the dash looks good. Passenger seating area, nice shape. Of course, the removable rear portion of the top. Bench seats in the rear. And you'll be able to see that all in the still pictures also. Probably over 100 pictures of this vehicle online. Slip around the back so you hear it run. Sounds like you'd expect a stock 5-liter to sound. Let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this 1 second so we can get this hood open. Check out the engine bay, and then like I said, stick around to the very end of the video. We're going to take this truck down the road, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. There's a look at the underside of the hood and the power plant. And remember, nice and equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. Appears it has been converted also from our 12 to the 134A. Don't have to worry about that. Looks good, sounds good. Nice and clean and tight underneath there. 1989 Ford Bronco XLT 4x4. Clean Carfax. West Coast truck. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description and it'll take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1989 Ford Bronco. Very nice condition. We got red interior and mostly white exterior. It looks like lower miles than it says. It's just 77,571. But the condition is very nice. Nice quiet running, factory sounding truck. Letting go of the wheel, this truck stays nice and straight in the lane. We have the power rear window that goes up and down, working well. The cruise control is working. Our gauges appear to be working as well. The battery's charging over 14 volts. Oil pressure is a little over half on the gauge. Coolant temperature is about a third of the way up the gauge. The fuel gauge is showing a quarter of a tank. That's all working. We do get sound out of the radio. Blower motor works. Windshield wipers also working. Our brakes are doing well. Another one of those trucks where you get really good visibility. It's in the era before the trucks got really big, but they can still do the work. And this being a Bronco, even more rare than a pickup truck.